Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, what we are going to do is dimensioning of the isometric view. So this is our isometric view here, isometric view, and these are the views: front view, this is our front view, this is top view, and this is side view. Three views are given here. But I have to dimensioning of this isometric view. So how to do the dimensioning? We have also to draw some construction lines here for this. First of all, total this width and length. These are the dimensions. This is 55 here, 55. This when the front view it is 55, and in the side view it is 45. So this dimension 55 into 45. First of all, we have to give these two dimensions. So how to give these two dimensions? What I have to do is, first of all, I have to draw some line here. I have to draw one line from this point parallel to this. One line I have to draw like this, and one line from this point, it should be parallel to this like this. So these construction lines, these we have to draw. And now this total length, it is here 55. So how to draw this now? A vertical line I have to draw like this, and a vertical line from this point also like this. This is a line here, and now what I have to do is I have to draw one dimension line. So these are the extension lines basically. One more extension line I have to draw from this point for width like this. So this total length is 55. This 55 mm from this point to this point, say, this length is 55. We have also to draw some arrows here like this. These are the arrows like this. Here also, these are the arrows like this. So this dimension, how much it is? It is 55. 55, for 55 I can add one text here like this. Sorry. This line, then this line, then one vertical line like this, vertical line from here also like this, from here also like this, and then I have to draw one line like this parallel to this line here, and these are the arrows here like this, arrows like this, and one line here also in the same way, and these are the arrows like this. These are the arrows like this. So this dimension is 55. So this dimension is how much it is? It is 55. This dimension is 55. And this dimension is 45. Like this. This is 55, this is 45. And how much is the height? Height is also 45. So how to give the dimension of the height? Again I have to go for this line, and now what I have to do is I have to draw here also. I have to draw one line like this, or what I can do is I can draw one line vertical from this point only. If I draw one line like this here, and one line from this point, vertical line, okay, and I draw one line parallel to this here like this. So, and some arrows I have to draw like this. These are the arrows. These are the arrows here like this, and this dimension is also 45 mm. This dimension, how much it is? It is 45 like this. This dimension is also 45. Now what about other dimensions? Say here this step is given 20 mm. This step, how to give this dimension? This step is there. This step is 20 mm. So go for line, and if I draw here line parallel to this like this, and parallel to this, these are the extension lines, and one is vertical line like this, this line here. These are the arrows, and this dimension is 20. How much it is? It is 20 like this. So this step is 20, this 45, this size is 45, this is 55, 45, and height is also 45. So how to give the dimension of the height? Now this is the height. So this is vertical line, this is our height. For this height, what I have to do is I can draw a line which is parallel to this line like this, parallel to this here, and one line here parallel to this like this, and one line vertical here, this vertical line like this. So this is our height. I can also draw line like this, arrows, these are the arrows, and this height is, how much it is? It is 45 mm. How much is? It is 45 mm. This height is also 45 mm like this. So this way we can give all the dimensions. Now what are the dimensions left is here 45 height also we have given. This step is there 20 mm. Step. This step is which step? This step is if I draw a line, if I draw a line here parallel to this like this, and I draw a line like this, I can draw here like this also, like this, and I can draw arrows here like this. Here like this. So this distance is how much? It is 20 mm. So it is 20. This distance is 20. So now this step is there. How much is this step? This step is, if you see here, from the top, if you see, this step is 15 mm. This is 15 mm. Here this 20 we have already given. Total distance, total 45 I have given already. So this step is 15 mm. So how to give the dimension of this? This step 15 mm means this is the step here. So how to give the dimension of this step? Height we have already given, and this depth, this 15 mm distance, this we have to give. So what I can do here is just draw one line parallel to this like this, and one line parallel to this here, and here a line which is parallel to these lines like this here, and we have to draw the arrows here like this. These are the arrows here like this. And how much is this distance? This distance is 15 mm. This is 15 mm. This step is 15 mm. So this distance. So this step is given 20 mm. This 15 is also given, and total is also given. So all these dimensions are given here. In the height also this 20 is given, and this total height is given. Only the dimension left is this 10 mm. This 10 mm distance here. So how we have to give this dimension? This 10 mm distance, you can give this distance 10 mm. You just draw a line, this line parallel to this, parallel to this. I can draw a line parallel to this here like this, and parallel to this here, and then one vertical line like this. Then these are the arrows here, arrows, and this distance, how much it is? It is 10 mm like this. This 10 mm distance is given here. So this step also we have given the dimension of this step also, and one more step is left, that is this step. This, how much is this step? This step is, if you see here, this step is 25 mm. This, so 25 mm dimension you can give one vertical line I have to draw here. If I draw one vertical line like this from this point, if I draw a vertical line like this, and I draw line from here, I draw a line like this. This step is, how much it is? This step is 25. So these are the arrows here like this. These are the arrows here, and you give the dimension 25. This dimension is 25. So step of these dimensions are given 25, 20 into 25, this step is given, 15, this also given. So, and this total is also given. This is also given. So now this 20 is given. 20 is given. This 15 is given. So this is 10. Understood, it is 10. This step 45 minus this 15 plus 20, 35. So this step is 10. So no need to give this dimension. We don't have to give duplicate dimensions. So all these this 45, this 45, this 55, this 10, this 25 here, and this 25 is given. This dimension 15 mm. So this dimension we can give here because this step we have given 25, but this 15 mm step, this we have to give this dimension. So how to give this dimension? A vertical line from this point here like this, then a vertical line from this point also like this, then a line parallel to this at 30-degree angle, parallel to this dimension, then arrows like this, arrows like this, like this. So how much is this dimension? This dimension is 15 mm. It is 15. 1, 5. This is 15 mm. This dimension is how much it is? It is 15 mm. So now we have given all the dimensions. No dimensions is left here. All the dimensions we have given from all the views. So all the steps, all the dimensions is given. I think it's clear to you now. So there may be such type of question in the exam. Views are given here and you have to do the dimensioning of the isometric view. So this is the question here. Okay, give the dimensioning of the isometric view. Thank you for watching. See you again in next video. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe.